Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ignore the way I look because we have so much to do today and I did not want to just put on some makeup and be more concerned about it. But today we have to make my desk look pretty. First I'll show you how messy it is right now. Not just the desk but even the boxes that I have in the side of the desk are really a big mess. I have so much mess in this room, at least so much around the desk, otherwise, it's just empty. But today, we are going to make it look good, and without wasting any time, let's get into it. So this is how it looks right now. These are boxes. I don't have any parcels in there. It's just the boxes that I have, and I have used it to keep something or the other thing in there. So I'm going to clean it up. This is a book storage kind of thing that is to be put on the desk. I expected it to be a bit smaller, but it's quite huge, and I was trying to assemble it, but it's still pending, and I'm going to do that right now. On the desk, so apart from this laptop and all, these are a few things that I have got to put it in here. Also, there is so much stuff in this drawer, all these things here. This is also a big mess. I have a few skincare products that I have recently purchased from Nykaa, and I have to clean that as well. I need to clean this drawer as well. So it's going to be a good day. So let's get started. That's all clean and tidy now. Also, this is going to stay here always. First, I'll start with organizing the drawers. So I'm going to use these boxes to arrange things in here. Table here is kind of done. I am not very satisfied with how it looks right now, but let's move on to this one first, and then I'll think about what can be done to change on the table. So yeah, let's get into it. I had ordered this storage from Amazon and I really hope it looks good. So I have a few printouts that I have got for the frames that I have purchased, and now that's what I'm going to arrange. I just hope they look good. A few prints are very light, so I'm not sure how they are going to look, but yeah, I'll do that. So just a little update. I am not completely done. I have put pictures in the frame that I wanted, but I still need a few. Maybe my calculation was incorrect and some prints did not come out the way I want them to. which is why I'm going to stop today. I still have to now go through some pictures that I need to finalize, then I'll get them printed tomorrow. And for now, I am really tired. I feel hungry as well. And moreover, also have to log in for my work right now. So today I'm going to stop. You all can see how tired I look. It felt very small and little to do, but when I opened the boxes it was so much inside and I had to arrange them well, that I did a pretty good job at it. But and after rearranging things I also realized I have so much space also, so I am going to utilize it some or the other way. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted. Hi guys, so it's almost after 2 to 3 days and I got some prints to put in the frames. I changed a few, and which is why it took so much of time for me to make this video again. But yeah, currently my desk and the place that I wanted to have it looks pretty similar to what I wanted. So without wasting any time, let me show what I have done and let's get started. Starting with the top shelf, this is the fake plant that I got from IKEA. This is a gift box that I got from Mr. DIY. These frames are again from IKEA, and the prints that I had got from the local store I put in these. This is something that I got in PR. It just looks good and hides what I have done behind. So this is again from Mr. DIY. This vase is from IKEA, and the fake flowers are from one of the Instagram stores. I mentioned them somewhere. I'm not sure about the name right now. This is the exact same way I wanted it to look, and I love it. After that, here I was just experimenting with the lights, and I know they are too big, but as of now it serves the purpose. This is something that is handwritten by me. It is from one of the drama that I have watched, and I really liked these lines and I could resonate to it, which is why I wrote them and put it there. This lamp as of now is not in use. I still have to put some lights in there, but I want to have it on the desk, so it's there. Then is this laptop, the charger wire, everything is behind it, so when I open it, it completely disappears. This headset is again something that I need for my office work, the mouse, and yeah, that's all for the desk. Moving on to the first drawer, I have it very organized. Every important documents and this gimbal, then cards, wallet, everything is in here. This one has my watches, the light things that I have for my ring light or some lightings that I have, and Hanuman Chalisa that I like to have around. I don't read it every day, but I listen to it. So that's that. My mom always asked me to keep it with me, which is why I have it everywhere. So this box here is very important. It has my pen drive, camera, shutter, so it helps me click my pictures without the timer, and the charging wires. I keep my mic and everything in here, so this is that one. Then I have in these scented candles that I use every now and then, not every day, but yeah. And this is again very important. It has hand cream, lip balms, my extra clip, because I keep missing things here and there, and I need to, if I need to find anything on the go, I need to have one here. Then I have my on the go earrings, rings, and everything, and this is really very useful thing. I use it every day. I'll tell you how. There are these scented candles. This is from the PR that I had received, and the other two are from IKEA. That, and oh yeah, these tissues are also important. They are so cute. I haven't even started using them yet, but I love them. Coming on to this one, it's a mobile stand from IKEA. So every day when I work, I put my phone in here, and there is some web series playing, or I'm just binge watching someone's vlogs on YouTube or anything, but this is really useful. You can have your phone horizontal or vertical the way you want, and it's really useful. This compartment is actually of some extra things in here. There are bags, extra sheet mask, everything that I have extra is in here. There are a few albums that I own, some stationery things, that is my laptop bag, and there is also so much laptop things behind. This is not very good looking, but it is very well organized and I can find everything in here. And anyway, it is going to be closed, so everything would look good. Now these are some extra boxes. I wanted to keep this one on the table itself, but it would have looked very crowded. This is something that I'm yet to organize. Coming on to the other half of the wall, here I have these two frames that are from IKEA. This, now these has so many new diaries, old diaries, and some sketchbooks. Now I don't remember the last time I did some sketches, but yeah, I own a few sketchbooks as well. This diary is really special. I never want to lose it because it has all my Chinese lessons. These are the new ones. One is from the PR, one is from my office that I got, and other are just random purchases. I just love stationery, and this is my recent purchase again from Mr. DIY. Because Christmas is coming, I wanted something like this that would be a good prop in my videos, and that is why I got that. After that, I also have this pens. Now I want to put some flowers and I have some other ideas to decorate this one, but for now it works good here. And then there are some sticky notes. These are my absolute favorite. They are not sticky notes, that's just notepads, but I love them. This is something we keep using, so I just wanted to have it in front of my eyes. Then the cutter that I really need whenever my packages arrive, that should be handy. The sellotapes also, I need them so much. Again, my few favorite sticky notes, and that's it. Then comes is this one. This is from Amazon and it has my bags in there. I've kept them very organized, and the last compartment in there has some unused footwear. And yeah, this is the last thing that I would want to show. So that is the stool that I have, and this bag. Right now this arrangement looks good because I don't have any space to keep this stool anywhere else in the living room, because it's not matching the aesthetics in other rooms. And this is the good place as well because I anyway purchased it for the shoots. And my bag that is there. So yeah, that is how the room looks right now. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you guys think? I think I did a pretty good job from what it used to be to what it is right now. I think I have implemented it well. Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.